AI agents continue to get more and more powerful, but one bottleneck remains the same. Humans have to provide proper context and instructions for those agents to work effectively. If we can improve this, we can dramatically improve the throughput of work that we can get with all of our agents. As a software developer, a lot of my work is defining issues and handing them off to agents. This involves curating a list of files that I think are important for the agent to know about and providing final instructions about what to actually do with those files and the changes that I want to see made. This is a task that's almost always better done at a computer just because it's a lot easier to manage all of the context in the files and reviewing them, but I think this is an area where voice could make this significantly more effective. To push this forward, I created an iOS app powered by GPT Realtime that allows me to select and curate context of a repo before creating an issue and assigning it to Cloud Code. Let me show you how it works. All right, here in the app, you can see my list of repositories. In the settings, we have a GitHub personal access token and OpenAI key. The goal is to be able to run all of this on device. We can select a repo, and I'm just going to do a demo and then talk through how it worked.
Tell me what the issue involves, and we'll pinpoint the relevant files fast.
Yeah, can you start by making a note that we are going to be improving how workflows work in this? And then, yeah, could you do a search for, it's like main.ts and then like LLM calls or something? Okay, yeah, those look right. Could you select both of those files for me? And then last, could you add some more notes and say, find and identify the sparkle function? That's the first thing. And then from there, we need to add a branch of logic for handling workflow nodes correctly. Okay, great. And then, yeah, could you go ahead and create the issue, please? All right, and there we go.
Issue created and everything's set. Anything else you want to add before we wrap up?
All right, I'm going to open the issue in GitHub. This will open up in the GitHub app. You should hopefully be able to see this on the screen share. You can see the issue that I just created. It includes a note about the referenced files. And we can see that I've added this comment that is tagging Claude already. And this is just automatically kicking Claude off to start working on this. So by just using voice and then one button to send a confirmation, I'm able to define this issue, select the relevant files, and then also tag Claude to have it start working on the project. All right, thank you so much for watching. This is an exploration in using voice to make it even easier to delegate work to AI agents. Thank you so much.